welcome back. It's been over a year. I hope everyone is good, is safe and healthy. It's been a tough year and a half, so hence my absence. I'm sure that for most of us. But I'm here today and I wanted to share a quick glowy look that feels, natural, but at the same time easy, and it just makes me feel put together every day without too much effort. And yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. And I wanted to introduce you a new member of my family, but he's asleep right now. So I might have a little clip that I can insert here. If not, I'm gonna try to lift him up so he can say hi for you. Come here. Come here. You want to say hi to everyone? I know you're asleep, but he's like resisting me. Come on, you gotta say hi. Come on, you gotta say hi. Come say hi. Come say hi. 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 You don't want to say hi? Okay. He really wants to sleep. We went on a long walk. Okay, next time. All right, well, let's get into the makeup. Enjoy, and I'll speak to you soon. I'm going to start with skincare because my skin has been not the best lately, and I've discovered a product I've been just thoroughly in love with. It is the Boum-Boum Milk by Violette. She's a French makeup artist. She is amazing. I would normally spray this, but I don't want to waste it, so I'm gonna put few sprays in the back of my palm and just work this in. I love this product because it's a moisturizer, a serum, and a makeup primer in one. Not only that, I've noticed how my inflammation from previous breakouts has gone down, so it's very soothing. All right, so now that's all sunk into the skin. I need sunscreen. I need sunscreen because I've been taking long walks and I haven't been very diligent about my sunscreen because a lot of sunscreens are breaking me out. And by that I mean everything I've tried until I have come across the Fenty Skin. Never would I have thought that a makeup brand can come up with such a beautiful smoothing, and not only that, it's not clogging my pores. I am not breaking out from this. And as a bonus, for some reason, the makeup sits on this so beautifully. So I'm gonna do that, and look at the glow that it leaves on your skin. It's just, gorgeous. I've gotten one of my friends hooked on it too. Whenever I love something, I just recommend it to everyone. I'll show the page for all that. All right, now skin is prepped. I love it. I'm gonna go with something very light only because I have a lot of concealing to do. All these hormonal breakouts have left like quite the discoloration and hyperpigmentation on my face, so I don't want to put on a foundation that's just gonna completely mask my face. I want my skin to breathe, but at the same time I want a nice dewy, glowy outcome. So I'm gonna use today Le Beige Water Fresh Tint by Chanel. It's a very sheer product, however I feel like it helps so good with just removing the redness. I'm looking for the brush that actually comes with it because for some odd reason it just works beautifully. So I'm gonna put 2 drops in the back of my hand, and I really have to work this in with a brush, and you'll see, like, look at that. So sheer, and yet it manages to take away the redness. So I'm going to blend this in until it's all even. So now that my skin is even out and also it kept the glow, I'm gonna go with the concealer and just conceal my problem areas, which is under the eyes. I'm still gonna keep it very, very natural. Okay, and then slowly I'm just gonna go around all my pigmentation. And that's it, and a couple of spots on my forehead. And I had a little big one here that left a spot, so right, let's blend everything in gently. I'm gonna use my trusty e.l.f. Cosmetics sponge because it blends everything without a trace. And then I'll go a little bit on my eyelid just to get a little bit of the discoloration and hide the little red veins, just a touch. All right, before I go on with all my other face products, I'm gonna make sure to set just underneath the eyes as well as on my blemishes, my spots, so that way nothing moves. I'm gonna use this very fine Pat McGrath powder that I love so much, and I'm just gonna go right in here in this little divot, but that's about it. I'm gonna keep my glow, just leave that alone, right here. And then just a touch around the nose. I'll back up a little bit to see. Okay, so let's do a little bit here. And then, like I said, where I had all these hormonal breakout and now pigmentation, let's set this so it doesn't move around. I'm gonna move on with a touch of bronzer to give my skin a little bit of glow. So first, I'm not gonna contour too much, but I do like to go a little bit underneath my cheekbone, just like that. And then I'm gonna go on my cheeks and across the nose. And of course, the forehead. Right where the sun would hit. Forehead, top of the cheeks, top of the nose. I'm gonna build this up a little bit. I think this bronzer is a touch light for me right now, but we're gonna make it work. And also it's nice that it looks a little more natural. And to top it off, I'm going to do a touch of blush, and I want something very natural, barely there. So I'm going to go with my favorite Caramel by Persona and just tap the apples of my cheeks and then just blend it up a little bit. And go a little bit across the nose to give me that sun-kissed glow. And because I want to keep it as natural as I can, I'm going to go with a cream highlighter and just warm this product on my fingers or the back of my hand and just gently tap on the highest points of my face. until the product is just warm and it sinks into the skin naturally. Also, I don't want to rub because we do have all these other powdery, but look how natural and glowy. I'm going to take a little bit here, a little bit here, and right here on the bridge of my nose, and right here in the highest point of my eyebrow, just to give you that illusion of lifted brows. All right. Before I put a touch of light on my eyelids, I want to spray my face because why not? So I'm gonna go in with my Boum-Boum Milk, and this time I will spray just a little bit from far. And that's it. Feels so good, so hydrated, and it gives my skin that natural glow from within look. I'm gonna keep it very simple on the eyes. I already have some lash extensions. So I'm gonna go in my Dior Glow palette, and I'm literally just gonna touch on one of these colors here. It's a little bit more skin-like, but with a touch of glow. I'm just gonna put that in the middle right here and just gently blend. That's it. That's it. I want this to look like a full day, everyday glow. Go. And then I'm gonna go in maybe with a little brush because my finger is a little bit too big for my inner corner. I'm just gonna take a little pencil brush and I'm gonna go in the same color and just give myself a little light right there. But well, that's about it. And to finish the eyes, I'm just going to put a touch of mascara on my bottom lashes. That way my eyes are nice and open. To give a little definition to my lips, I'm going in with Pillow Talk because it's your lips but better kind of color. And to finish off, a touch of Pillow Talk lipstick. And that completes my Parisian-inspired everyday natural glow look. I'm really loving it. It's just so simple and so easy, and yet I think it just brings out the most natural, glow without trying so hard, without heavy highlighters. So I'm really enjoying it. Not to mention that thankfully in California now we don't have to wear masks, so it's kind of nice to wear a little bit of a lip color without getting it all over your face, and as well as your makeup off your nose and all that. So it's nice to just be able to glow again in full force. I hope you enjoyed, and until next time, stay safe, stay beautiful, and I will talk to you soon.